What's going on, phone nerds? Ian here again from Mega Mobile USA, and today I want to do a quick unboxing of the all-new Oppo Reno 5 5G. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description, and if you'd be so kind as to like the video and subscribe to the channel, it'd be very much appreciated. Real quick on the specs, this guy is a 6.43 inch 90 Hz display. The main camera is 64 megapixel. It's dual SIM. It has a 4300 milliamp hour battery. Comes in 128 with 8 gigs of RAM or 256 gig with 12 gigs of RAM. This one's the 128.8, and the processor is a Snapdragon 765G. This is the international version of the phone. It's globally unlocked. It can be used anywhere in the world on any GSM network. It's no problem at all. It's model number CPH2145. It's got all the bands and everything listed here on the back. You can see that. They're also in the eBay listing. If you have any questions about it, just let me know. But if you order from me, this is exactly what you're going to get, and this is exactly how it's going to come. So let's go ahead and unbox it. It's got this little sleeve on it. Take that off. And you got here Oppo. Go ahead and take this off. And this particular one is the Galactic Silver color. Got this little insert here. Xiaomi and Oppo and all of them guys like to do this. They have a SIM eject tool, docks. You're never going to read them. And then they have these really nice soft cases. These are great. They're not too intrusive. It doesn't have the weird sticky outward parts on the corner. It's got the perfect cutouts. This is a go for me. I would use this. It's free too. Why not? Then you got the phone here. It's got the little wrapping on it. All the really cool features of it: 90 Hz display, 765, the 65-watt charging, tells you about dual video, yada yada yada. Okay, set that aside. There's a little insert to hold the phone. Got the European style charger. I include an adapter with every single purchase. All you do is fit it like this, plug it into the wall. It works perfectly fine. It doesn't look the greatest thing on the planet, but it works. So put that back in here. We got USB-A to USB Type-C. And then we got a pair of headphones down there. I don't know who still uses headphones, but there they are in case you want them. And then as far as the phone goes, let's slip this out real quick. This does have a built-in screen protector on it. You got the hole punch camera, speaker on the top, microphone, 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB Type-C, and then the speaker as well. And then you have this color again. It's called Galactic Silver, and I don't know how the camera's picking it up, but it looks like an orange and then a blue. It almost looks like the rose gold beach that the Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite has. Got the camera set up here. I don't really find this to be silver at all. It's like chameleon, honestly, is probably the best way to describe it. But either way, again, this is the Oppo Reno 5G, 5G I should say. I look forward to earning your business, and if you guys have any questions about it, let me know. And I appreciate you watching the video as always. Peace!